Hi, reviewing the Bitcycle V8. Alright, this is a V8 model. Alright, this is my sister bike, which I have done service for her. Alright, and you can see this bike is exactly like the Brompton, but it's fall on the left side. Alright, you can see, right, it's fall on the left side, while the original Brompton is on the right side. Alright, so it has a good welding on the body. Alright, good body welding. Alright, you can upgrade to 2 dual chain wing. Alright, it has a mount bracket here. Alright, the cable goes to here. Alright, and this is a 8-speed, I guess. Alright, it has the what they call the puller, tensioner puller, when to fold the bike. Alright, this pedal has been changed. Alright, the difference is the puller on the wheel. Alright, it has a catch. There's a catch there. Alright, you just pull off, change. Right, the handle can be adjusted to the desired height. Alright, not bad. Alright, for the China bike. Alright, good. Yeah, good welding. Right, how it's open up. Sorry, we have a shifter here. This is a shifter. The brakes. Right. Okay, let me open up this bike. Fully open. Right. The rear rack. Right. Nice wheels. Then the original Bromptons. Okay. The brakes. It's a V brake. Right. I'm using the SM X4. Right. Good about this bike. Alright, no complaint for the price. Okay. And the V brake on the front brake is reverse. Right. Catch there. Okay. Solid mudguard, plastic. Alright, this is a cable routing, internal cables. Yeah, I impressed the build of this bike. Okay, show you how it's fold. So this is where you pull it, right, to unlock. Right. This is, so I'm using a hand to do this. All right. Fold. Right. Loosen. Sorry. Yeah. Catch. All right. Bring down. It's nicely locked. You can see the cables, internet cables. All right. And loosen up. Oops. Okay. So this is how it looks when it's full. All right. No complaint. All right. When you compare to the original Brompton. All right. This is the original Brompton. Right. I can see the Brompton much more compact than the mid. Can comparison. Brompton is much more slim and compact. Okay, that's all folks. Bye.